We are going to put this sensor, this very small sensor, into the head of babies. In particular, we also want to see what is happening to blood flow to the brain, because when the baby sort of recovers his circulation to just after birth, we expect this brain blood flow also to pick up. And we want to calculate the ratio between the two to see that that meets expectations. Then we will keep it on for 24 hours, and then we will ask the staff to tell us whether the instrument was easy to operate and whether the value it provides makes sense in the clinical context.
I think that the time spent by talking with the parents is never too much. They need a kind of psychological support. They didn't expect to have a preterm baby, and the preterm baby does not look like a term baby, healthy term baby they expected to have. I think we have to support parents and also to teach parents that technology is very important. It's important to help their baby to be alive. Prematurity does not finish when the baby is discharged. We know that some of these babies can develop neurodevelopmental impairments later on in childhood, and therefore most of the centers in Europe and also in the world follow up this baby, and in particular in our unit we follow up these babies and their families up to 10 years of age.